welcome back to another Spatial 3D stereoscopic video shot on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Anker MagGo power bank, ultra slim 10,000 mAh magnetic battery pack with QI2 certified 15 watt ultra fast MagSafe compatible portable charger. Now that is a mouthful. It is compatible with Apple's MagSafe fast charging system, and you can also charge a Samsung if you get an adapter. I got this baby on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description down below so that you can get this or the sticker for the Samsung. Now if this video looks weird to you, it's because it should be enjoyed in any VR headset such as the Meta Quest system or the Apple Vision Pro. As a last resort, you can get one of those red and blue disposable glasses. Once the simple packaging is open, you're gonna find only a handful of items inside. We start with the welcome guide or the instructions, and it also comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable that's 16 centimeters long or 23.6 inches. The provided cable can be used to charge the bank or to charge a device. Just keep in mind that the wireless charging system is only 15 watts versus the 30 watts that you get by using the cable. Dimensions-wise, the power bank is 4.09 by 2.78 by 0.58 inches, and it weighs 7.05 ounces or 200 grams. As an added safety feature, the power bank comes with real-time protection with Active Shield 2.0. With a 10,000 mAh high capacity, it is ideal for both daily use and travel. This power bank offers ample capacity, providing 1.8 full charges for an iPhone 15 Pro, taking it from 0 to 50% in only 51 minutes. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share the videos with your friends, and don't forget to come back for more unboxing videos.